Hi Tony, welcome to Zuri Wine TV. How are you today?
I am so happy to be at Zuri Wine TV today. It's 20.
Lovely. Well, we're going to ask you a few questions regarding your Wine Over Oceans event happening in July 25th this year. In fact, it's happening the whole weekend. Am I right?
It's a 3-day weekend event that's happening in July. I cannot wait.
All right. Well, let's get straight to the questions then. Tell us, Tony, when did the idea of Wine Over Oceans begin?
Oh wow, so this will be the 9th year. Originally it was called Wine Over LA, but this is the 9th year and I wanted to incorporate or showcase my international lifestyle, so I renamed it to Wine Over Oceans.
Nice. All right, well then what will you be doing differently for Wine Over Oceans?
Oh my gosh, so like I said, I wanted to incorporate my international lifestyle. So this year is totally different. This year I'm including winemakers from South Africa. So usually I do all winemakers from America. This year I will have 6 winemakers from South Africa and 6 winemakers from Los Angeles, or not Los Angeles, but the United States included in Wine Over Oceans.
That's fantastic, I like that. Tell us, what is the importance of creating this crossover between the different international wine regions and markets?
I think it's important to showcase the different wine regions, especially people of color in the wine industry on both continents. So I'm super excited to be able to highlight and showcase winemakers from the United States and highlight and showcase winemakers from South Africa. You know, there are people of color who don't usually get a lot of exposure, so I'm super excited to give them that opportunity and that platform to share their stories with the entire world, actually.
100%, I like that. Why have you chosen to do this event now?
Well, I mean, I've done the event every year, like for the past 9 years, right? But last year, due to COVID, I hosted the event online. And so I'm choosing to do it again online because it's an easy way to bring people from all over the world into one screen, and so that they can learn, they can connect, meet new people, learn about new winemakers. So I think it's just the perfect time with this terrible time that COVID that we went through. The silver lining is we're all able to connect and network online.
Fantastic. I understand that you won't be alone on this venture. What about your partners? Why have you chosen the particular brands and individuals for this event?
I'm super excited about the brands and the people that I've chosen to participate in this Wine Over Oceans event. So each brand is very special to my heart. I've selected brands where I've either tasted their wines before, or people have tasted their wines and told me that I should stalk these people on Facebook. I've chosen people that I've worked with for years and for years. So I'm super excited to work with the brand partners, the winemakers, the brand owners, some of my favorite sommeliers who are going to join me for game night. I think that everybody that's involved is going to be very passionate about the wine industry, just like I am. And that was one of the requirements in my head when I picked people to participate in Wine Over Oceans.
Lovely. And what about the people who sign up for Wine Over Oceans? What should they expect?
Oh my goodness, so the people who actually sign up for Wine Over Oceans and attend our virtual online wine festival, that's 3 days, they can expect so much information, so much wine knowledge, so much networking with other people in the industry. Whether it's a wine lover like themselves or a winemaker or a sommelier, they can just expect a really good time. I'm super excited about it. Friday, we're actually going to have a cooking class with a professional chef, and then a cheese class with a cheesemonger. Yes, that's an actual word, right? And then on Saturday, we're gonna have virtual game night with some of my favorite amazing friends. They are amazing, they are wine-azing, and they're gonna hop on the call, and I'm gonna partner them with wine lovers and play fun games for prizes. And then on Sunday is our finale event, and that's where we get all 12 winemakers, our brand owners, on one call. We ask them questions, they tell us about their wines, we sip their wines. People who order the kit, you can go through the entire gamut of all 12 wines, or you can just pick your one favorite for the day. So I'm super excited. People should just expect to have a good time and to learn a lot at the same time.
Well, guess there's only one thing you have to say. That is wine-mazing. Thank you for joining us once again, Twani, at Zuri Wine TV.
Thank you for having me on Zuri Wine TV. I'm super excited to be a part of this wine-mazing experience.
Awesome. See you at the festival.
Yes.